Hello, dear ones. My name is Katina, a messenger of love, unity, and world peace. Today I'm going to share with you the first video of me reading from my first written creation titled We Are One. It is a journal of short inspirational stories. May these words remind us of the light that we share. March 16, 2011. Tree Songs. Ancient trees tell me a song with their shapes, branches, and twists and turns. They all stand unique like us. No two are alike, and each has its own story. I often wonder what stories trees would tell if they could talk. I am sure they could share many lessons. Some trees are so different from others that they just demand your attention. It's almost impossible to walk past them without a glance and feel as if they're calling out to you. It is astonishing how some trees have these bizarre twists and turns with wild branches that shoot to the ground and in all different directions. These rough edges of twists and exquisite growths are examples of how life experiences molds us into who we are. Some of us go through harsh weathering and pressures. Over time, we become unique, but we still belong to the human race. No matter how different we are from others, we belong together and must give one another the same precious love that is given to us by God, or as some may say, the universe. It doesn't matter what you call it. We come from the same source of life. So respect, love, and embrace your uniqueness. I titled this book, We Are One, because it came to me in a message when I was meditating that we are different personalities, yet one consciousness. Together we rise in peace. We are one.